As we move into an era of complete digitization, where technology connects everything from people, processes and data to things, governments and organisations in the Middle East are rethinking how they approach infrastructure on a grand scale. It's against this backdrop during the 35th GITEX Technology Week that industry experts are gathering to discuss what companies in the Middle East need to do in order to be ready for this era of complete digitization.
We're embarking on an era of the internet that is called the Internet of Everything. And it touches every aspect of life. So private companies as well as government organizations need to first of all rethink about how they need to digitize their business. It's about how they actually transform true business outcomes through digitization. We've actually been working with numerous cities around the world for many years, and numerous nations and governments about building a digitization blueprint, which is what we call sometimes the smart city blueprint. Now, along with that, we just introduced the country digitization acceleration strategy. The first one is education. So how do you actually build the foundation of educating the next generation as well as the existing workforce to embark on this era? Because as you build the skills and the know-how, you start to differentiate and gain competitive edge.
What we are seeing is significant growth actually, especially within terms of spending and interest within IoT. So what we have found is that it's growing at about 22% CAGR year on year and should be worth about $10.8 billion by 2018.
While some digital technologies might seem to be science fiction, an increasing number of them have quickly become science fact and are driving the smart city implementation. This is enabling Middle East countries and organisations to reap the full benefits of the Internet of Things today and the new era of the Internet of Everything in the future.
We've been working closely with Cisco, with the service providers, for instance, in the UAE, both Etisalat and Du, to build the public Wi-Fi coverage that will allow citizens and businesses to benefit from that infrastructure to provide more services. We've been also investing in bringing the new type of wireless coverage that is mainly targeted the IoT devices, LoRa we call it, into life, and we have started actually to roll out a few sites. We've been also engaged in delivering some key proof of concepts to some key customers like RTA around smart parking and smart lighting. We've been working with DEWA around the energy efficiency and Emirates Airlines as well about some innovative solutions that will allow them to be efficient.
So we focus on smart government services, we focus on the Internet of Things as it relates to city deployments, smart lighting, smart parking, smart waste management. We also are demonstrating the capabilities of the infrastructure that's going to enable all of this digitization within the city, within the nation, within the region.
It's plain to see that these technologies will play an increasingly important role in improving the quality of life, not just for upcoming generations, but for everyone today.